Hi, I'm Dunk, Business Development Chef here at QuornPro UK, and today we're going to be preparing a dish using the QuornPro Wings. This dish is our take on crispy Korean fried wings. We're going to drop our wings into the fryer. For the rice, make sure you've got a hot wok, and then we're going to go in with some oil. Our pre-cooked rice. So followed closely by our kimchi, so that's going to go in. Give that a quick stir. Make sure you knock all the lumps out of your rice, really important. Then in with our peas, our scallions or spring onions go in next. Right, at this stage we're just going to push our rice to one side, and then we're going to crack in an egg. Crack your egg on a flat surface, and that just goes in there. Allow it to set for just a minute. Don't stir the rice through it. You want to break that yolk too. Start to move it so that it's cooking. And now we're about 3/4 cooked, then we can incorporate our rice. So now I'm going to season with my dark soy sauce, not too much. Mix that through. That's it, so our wings have now had 6 minutes at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit until they're nice and golden. Okay, so I'm just going to toss those wings with the spices, with the Korean spice, and then we're ready to start putting the dish together. Okay, to complete the dish, we're going to just put our rice straight there in the bottom or the middle of the plate, or in this case a bamboo basket. Be generous. Press it down, create a little well there for your wings. Wings going to go in next. I'm going to go with 5, just line them up like that. A little bit of our Korean barbecue sauce, just on the top. A little bit of garlic mayonnaise. And then we've got our pickles we're going to add as well. So these are slightly spicy Korean style pickles. And to finish, a few spring onions or scallions on the top.